Morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new poem, The Inchcape Rock, right? So it is a very interesting poem and you are going to just enjoy that. Before we start up, I just want to explain you a little mind mapping of it so that it will become very easy for you to understand. Can you see some of the pictures? Yeah, you can just have a look on the bell that is tied on the Inchcape Rock and the stormy condition, the ship, right? Okay, that's good. Now, look to the mind map first. I will request you that you have to just draw or make it in your literature notebook, right? It will give you the clear picture of what the poem has and it will make your understanding a little better, right? This poem, The Inchcape Rock, is written by Robert Southey, right? The poem here, The Inchcape Rock, is written by Robert Southey, is a ballet describing the bitter end of those who commit evil. It talks of a bell being installed on the Inchcape Rock for warning the people and seafarer about the reef near the Scottish coast, right? Now, what is the theme of the Inchcape Rock? The basic theme of the poem is that those who do bad things will ultimately be punished accordingly, right? The poem, The Inchcape Rock, teaches a moral lesson: as you sow, so shall you reap. The poem proves the principle that crime gets its own punishment, right? Now, let's talk about Inchcape Rock. The rock in the poem, Inchcape Rock, is described as a dangerous reef, right? The risk the Inchcape Rock was posing was that when the water level rises due to high tide in the sea, it would become invisible to the oncoming ships and they get collided with it and they collapsed, right? Now, there were two main characters of the poem. One was Abbot of Abertrock and the other is Sir Ralph. First, read out about Abbot of Abertrock, right? Abbot of Abertrock achieved a permanent place in the heart of the people by his virtuous deed. The abbot was a very kind person who wanted to help others always, so he tied a bell near the Inchcape Rock and he was blessed by others for his kindness. He made a space in the heart of people, right? And then the other character, the evil character in the poem was Sir Ralph the Rover. He was the evil character in the poem who played an important role in the poem. He is a man full of overconfidence and wickedness. He has an evil mind and becomes rich by looting ships. He is jealous of the abbot and therefore cuts the bell, not realizing that one day even he would fall in trouble, right? This is all about the poem. Once we know the mind map of the poem, then explanation line wise become easy for us, right? So read it once again. Just try to make it in your literature notebook. So tomorrow we are going to explain it stanza wise and it will become very easy for you to understand the poem, right? Thank you, students.